Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat mga kababayan. Nandito na naman po ulit ako ngayon. For today's video naman, papakita ko sa inyo yung pinagkakaiba ng Beijing and Manila ngayon. So ngayon, January 13, in the middle of winter sa Beijing. So very malamig. Pero ano kayang pinagkaiba, January feels vibes. So yung friend ko, si Isa, tinulungan niya ako for this video. So siya mismo in real time nag-video just for this video para mapakita sa inyo kung talaga ano yung mafe-feel nyo in the Philippines. Bakit ko to ginagawa? Usually, tinatanong ako ng mga friends ko dito sa China kung ano bang magandang time na pumunta sa Philippines. So, sinasabi ko minsan na December mostly because Christmas sa Philippines. So, Christmases in the Philippines are amazing, okay? And then January, hindi ganun ka init, pero hindi naman ganun kalamig. So, parang okay lang yung balance.
Ang ganda ng panahon ngayon. Hindi masyadong mainit. Kasi hindi rin maulan, mahangin, ganyan, presko. Maraming taong naglalakad-lakad, ganun. Hindi rin masyadong nagagamit yung pool. Pero hindi frozen yung pool namin.
Kung gusto mong pumunta ng Philippines on January, ano kaya yung pwede mong gawin? Or ano kaya yung differences? Anong kailangan mong i-prepare? Gaano ka-init? Kasi hindi mo naman talaga malalaman unless nandun ka. Number one difference is obviously the weather. It's too cold here in Beijing. January, the coldest that we got is -10. It's unthinkable in the Philippines. Sobrang init. I think yung pinakamalamig sa Philippines is 21, 22 degrees sa morning. Number 2, rental bikes. Sa Beijing, you can rent bikes and it's very convenient, very easy, and very cheap. Pero sobrang lamig. It's too cold to bike. But in Manila, you can bike. You need to have your own bike, yeah. But it's too hot to bike. See? Number 3, going to a mall. Sa Beijing, sobrang lamig sa labas. So, pagpunta mo ng mall, iinit. So, mag-remove ka ng clothes, ganyan. Sa Philippines naman, sobrang init sa labas. So, pagdating mo sa mall, ang lamig, ang cool. Pero pag nagstay ka dun for a long time, talagang malamig. Another difference is, there are no churches inside sa Beijing. Hindi ganun ka-integral yung religion in China. And then in the Philippines naman, ang mga churches nasa loob na ng mall. So usually mga tao magsisimba first thing in the morning and then saka sila magmo-mall. Ganun yung type. Okay, number 4, everyone is fully clothed in Beijing. It's too cold. Can you see? Oh my God. Tapos, sa Manila naman, the lesser or smaller the clothes, the better. Kasi ganun ka-init. Grabe, papawisin ka talaga. Tapos, makikita mo rin naman, may mga naka-jacket sa Philippines. Bakit sobrang init? Number 5, okay, you see me putting on lip balm because I got cracked lips. It's very dry, very cold here in Beijing. Pero din naman sa Manila, you put on deodorant kasi sweaty yung armpits mo. Sobrang bilis bumaho. Number 6 naman, skiing down a slope dito sa Beijing kasi it's too cold. So you're skiing down a slope. Sa Manila naman, you're sliding down a water slide kasi sobrang init. You need that water to freshen you up. Ganon. So number 7, in Beijing, you need to eat hot pot kasi sobrang lamig. Kailangan mong kumain ng hot pot. Yon, mainit. Hot pot. Yon. You get it from the name itself. Sa Philippines naman, sobrang init. So, you need to eat ice cream. You need to eat ice cream or halo-halo para lumamig naman yung katawan. Number 8, walang trees. Well, may trees naman sa Beijing, pero walang leaves. So, hindi ka maka-lie down sa mga parks, hindi ka maka-lie down anywhere to rest kasi nga sobrang lamig. Tapos, walang magko-cover sa'yo. Doon naman sa Philippines, may mga trees, may mga leaves. Pwede kang humiga pwede kang mag-cool off dun sa ilalim ng mga trees kasi sobrang init. So, lahat ng mga tao makikita mo nasa ilalim ng puno na ayaw nilang maano ng araw. Sobrang init. So, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the differences between Beijing and Manila, two different capitals, so two different countries. At the same time, kasi sobrang lamig nga, sobrang init naman sa Manila. So, I hope you enjoyed it. So, if you're going to Manila during this time, you know what to expect. If you're coming to Beijing during this time, you know what to expect. So, I'll see you guys next time.
We have trees. We have trees. May puno kami, oh.